Did you know that with affiliate marketing, you can literally make money in your sleep? Yep, you heard me. If this money-churning side hustle has piqued your interest but left you looking for guidance, then keep watching, as that's precisely what you'll get. In this video, I'm showing you just how to make money online with affiliate marketing, plus we'll be taking an in-depth look at the John Thornhill affiliate program. Make sure to stick around till the end to fully understand how affiliate marketing works and, more importantly, how you can make it work for you. Look, the affiliate marketing world is vast, and it's not always easy to figure out where to start. Every affiliate marketer must start somewhere, including those who are successful. They didn't know where this journey would lead them when they first started, and I guarantee they encountered their fair share of struggles along the way. Luckily for you, you won't need to struggle because I'm here to give you a handy leg up. But before we dive in, as a bonus gift, you can sign up for John Thornhill's Click webinar through the link in the description below to gain even more valuable insight into affiliate marketing, completely free of charge. Alright, so with that being said, let's get into it and find out how you can make real money online in 2023. But before we go any further, we need to go back to basics and ask, what exactly is affiliate marketing? So, here's the deal. Companies understand the power of working with individuals who can help them reach more customers and drive more website traffic. So, by creating a mutual partnership program, companies can boost their visibility in the digital space and increase organic customer engagement, which helps to promote their products faster, leading to better sales and increased profits. This is where affiliate marketers come in. By using their blogs and professional websites to promote the products they represent through personal stories and experiences, they create an engaging environment that helps attract customers and makes them more likely to purchase products and interact with the companies or brands in question. For this reason, companies needing this website traffic and engagement often create affiliate programs for individuals to sign up for, earning them a commission from successful referrals. You may already be familiar with the popular Amazon affiliate marketing program. However, many other affiliate marketing programs have emerged since the Prodigy Network launched in 1989, considered the first of its kind. Getting started as an affiliate marketer as a complete beginner may seem daunting, but I promise it's easier than it looks. With a bit of dedication and hard work, anyone can become an affiliate marketer and reach new financial heights. It all sounds great, right? But hang on. Before you jump in full steam ahead, there are a few things you need to consider before starting out as an affiliate marketer. First and foremost, you need to niche down. Choose a specific niche. This will make the entire process of becoming an affiliate marketer much smoother and give you the best chance at success. Fortunately, choosing a niche is pretty straightforward. You just need to select something that interests you, that you're passionate about, and perhaps something in which you already have expertise. You don't even need to create your own products to get going with affiliate marketing. This makes it easier than ever to launch a career in digital marketing. The next step is to weigh up your options for the best content platform to use depending on your needs. YouTube, social media, podcasts, and websites are all great options to explore. The thing is, you'll need the perfect affiliate program to succeed in your exciting new money-making venture, like the John Thornhill Ambassador Program. Now, this program has a double advantage. You can launch and grow your online business and gain valuable insights and skills along the way. But what is the John Thornhill Ambassador Program? How does it work? And is it even worth a shot? Well, I'm going to break it down for you. In a nutshell, this program is an all-encompassing way of generating daily sales with the power of marketing automation. Once enrolled, you'll learn, step by step, how to do affiliate marketing and join a team on ClickBank for beginners, selling products John himself creates. To put it simply, it's essentially based on a give-and-take approach. Double the advantages, but with mutual benefits for you and the program. It's a win-win. So what's the deal with this affiliate program? John Thornhill is a ClickBank affiliate and has seen tremendous success in online marketing. So now he wants to give back and share some of that success with those who want to reap similar benefits in 2023. Whether you're a newbie or a more seasoned affiliate marketer, you pay just $497 to access the program, which honestly is a steal for the content. And that's not all you get. You'll receive all the training you need to be a successful online entrepreneur. You'll also learn about generating web traffic from John's vast array of traffic strategies, including solo ads and paid and free traffic solutions. Knowing these strategies is essential for getting into his ambassador program, so it's a fantastic way to get ahead of the curve. One of the best benefits is that you get to use John's sales pages and emails. This means you'll be able to learn the ins and outs of effective marketing to sell his products and lead people back to the program. And if that wasn't enough, you get to keep 100% of the sales you generate. Plus, the email package is ready-made and prepped for year-round use on your email autoresponders thanks to the magic of its email sequencing. Okay, so enough about all that. What do you actually learn from the program's training? Well, by the end of your training with John Thornhill's program, you'll be well on your way to becoming a master marketer with the ability to identify the perfect niche and products that sell and generate actual profit, partner with an authentic internet millionaire and use the right strategy to launch your profitable online business, switch your offline earnings to online through the 4-step system, replicate an actual thriving business online and earn money from home. By now, you may have decided that you're ready to give this program a go, but are unsure of what to do now. Don't worry, that's why I'm here. First, I strongly recommend you sign up for the free live webinar through the description below, then join the program afterwards. The webinar will give you some great insight before you take the plunge. Plus, if you're on the fence about joining, it'll give you all you need to make a confident decision. You'll gain valuable knowledge from experienced professionals in the field, learn how to make millions of dollars through ClickBank Superfunnel and grow an online business, even as a beginner, using an easy-to-follow formula. And on top of all that, you'll learn how to set up a system that generates leads and sales in just 27 minutes. The webinar is convenient as it's short and sweet, but best of all, absolutely free. You'll get access to landing pages, custom-built evergreen webinars, and a whole lot more, all of which will come in handy for promoting the program, inviting people to join, converting them to subscribers, and driving those sales. After attending the webinar, you must connect your landing pages and funnels with email responders to capture leads. Remember that a John Thornhill ClickBank account is required to access the webinar. Targeted traffic is essential for driving traffic towards your funnel, so you will need to acquire the right traffic to help you activate the system and automate the process. Additionally, people within your subscriber list will generate commission for you through affiliate selling for every qualified purchase. Remember, this program is about simplicity and efficacy, helping you reach your goals quickly without unnecessary hassle and without going round and round in circles. Now, the million-dollar question, quite literally, how much can you make through the Ambassador program? The answer is a lot. John claims his ClickBank Superfunnel has earned him as much as $1,362,342. Talk about a lump sum. And as for you, well, it's just as possible to make as much, if not more, simply by dedicating an hour of your day to following John's easy-to-follow formula, helping you earn up to $3,136.50 time and time again. I wouldn't have believed it either if you'd asked me a while back, but now that I've been an online affiliate marketer for some time, I can confidently say that making money through the Ambassador program is, indeed, very much possible. But can I do affiliate marketing as a total beginner, I hear you wondering? Absolutely! Affiliate marketing can absolutely be done as a beginner through the Ambassador program. It gives you a great head start in getting ahead of the curve and supports you in getting the most out of this lucrative online venture. You'll need to create a proper channel for generating traffic, such as a personal blog, website, podcast, or YouTube channel. Fortunately, the program uses an automation mechanism that does all the hard work for you, streamlining your chance of getting ahead of those also trying to get into affiliate marketing. Now that you have all the information about affiliate marketing and our Ambassador program, what comes next? It's simple. All you need to do is follow the link in the description below to attend our free webinar. You can then register for a one-time payment of $497 to access everything the Ambassador program offers. You're sure to find it incredibly informative, engaging, and valuable. The big three. Hopefully, this video has given you a better understanding of how to increase your income by becoming an affiliate marketer. With the right resources and guidance, you can unlock the potential of earning money from affiliate marketing and build a strong foundation for your future in digital marketing. If you got something out of today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I next upload. Until then, have a good one.